3 avalanche here. Came in for a smog. No communication of the DLC. Went here to the sig lighter. There's a short. There's a short to power somewhere. In this 2003 avalanche, the wiring diagram is real straightforward. Really, it's just powers up the DLC and it goes to the sig lighter. So something shorted to ground here. So this is the fuse that I replaced it with because I figured, well, it's just the fuse, right? Not so easy. So there's a short. Came over here and just did this. I gotta tell you, it's the first time I've ever dealt with a cigarette lighter that was short. To verify it, with the key off, this fuse blew. This is a new fuse. All is good. Hope this helps someone in the future.